Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to talk about Avalanche, and here is what's going on in my mind. I think we can consider two different scenarios in here. One suggests this point in AVAX is indeed our final low, and this can be a 1, 2, and then we're gonna have a big move up into wave 3, 4, 5 in order to start a beautiful uptrend. The other scenario suggests maybe this is a correction and we are going to have another move down. However, in case that we are going to do something like this, I believe that this move down is not actually going to be that deep, and we are just going to take this low, and then followed by that we are going to have a very strong recovery in order to start a very strong impulse on the upside. Now, do I have some evidence suggesting that overall in Avalanche downsides are very limited? Absolutely. Let's go on weekly chart, zoom in more and see what is happening in terms of indicators. So in MACD, as you can see, we are having a sell signal in here, which is not a good sign. So if you want to be bullish with a lot of confidence, you need to wait a bit more and see a buy signal in here. But what do we have in a stock RSI? First, we are somewhere around the oversold region, which suggests that bears are running out of power. And as you can see, second, in here, we are having a buy signal. However, this signal at the moment is not confirmed yet. We need to wait until the end of the week. And at that point, if we are still going to have this signal, okay, that could be a beautiful sign. And I think we are having some more bullish signs in daily time frame. What is happening in here? So in stock RSI and MACD at the same time, we are having confirmed sell signal, beautiful sign. But I think there is a much more important sign in this region. What is going on the live chart? We are having a low and the other ones are lower lows. However, in MACD, we are having a low and this one is a higher low, which means we are having in daily time frame a bullish divergence, which is a great sign suggesting bulls are probably going to take over soon and bears again are running out of power. And I want to be very clear, this doesn't mean that in AVAX we have 100% hit our final low. No, this suggests either from here we are going to get a move up, or if we are going to have, for example, one more move down, it's not going to be that much of a deep move, and soon we can expect a very strong bounce to come in Avalanche. So overall, in terms of indicators, we are definitely seeing optimistic signs, but I would like to suggest just wait this one out a bit more and see what is going to happen. And if we see something like this from here, or maybe even a bit lower, doesn't matter, a very strong move up and then consolidation, another move on the upside, that is going to be a great sign. And at that point, you can argue the final low in Avalanche is in with a lot of confidence. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in AVAX's chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.